Have you ever had a great idea for an ebook, but then stopped yourself thinking, oh, I don't have a huge following, or I can't afford all that expensive software? Well, in this explainer, we are going to completely tear that idea apart. We're breaking down how you can go from just a simple idea to a real, actual income stream. And the best part? We're only using free tools. Let's get right into it. First things first, let's get this major misconception out of the way. The belief that you need to be some kind of famous guru or a massive influencer to sell an ebook is honestly a total myth. The core idea from our source material is simple. If you have knowledge about anything, I'm talking anything from gardening to coding to baking bread, you already have what it takes. So what's the real potential here? I mean, what are we actually talking about? Take a look at this number, 150,000 rupees. That's a real-world earning in a single year from the person who created this very method. And you know the most incredible part? They did it starting with zero audience, no website, and spent absolutely nothing on ads. So let's break down exactly how that happened. Okay, here's our roadmap for today. It's a 5-step journey. First, we're going to nail down that killer idea. Then, we'll get into the nitty-gritty of creating and designing the ebook, again, using only free tools. After that, we'll get it published and out into the world. And finally, we'll look at how this whole thing transforms into a genuine source of passive income. All right, let's kick things off at the very beginning. Section 1 is all about bridging that gap, going from that little spark of an idea to a solid, concrete plan for making money. The goal here is so achievable, it's kind of brilliant. We're talking about a finished, polished, ready-to-sell ebook in just 1 to 2 weeks. That's it. And as you can see, the whole process relies entirely on free tools. This makes it absolutely perfect for anyone, especially students, looking to start a side hustle without any upfront financial risk. Okay, so we've got our goal locked in. Now let's get our hands dirty. In Section 2, we're diving straight into the actual creation process, the nuts and bolts of taking what's in your head and turning it into a valuable ebook. Ah, yes, this is it. This is almost always the very first roadblock, isn't it? That voice in your head that says, okay, I'm in, but what on earth am I supposed to write about? It's a super common question, and thankfully, our source material has a very clear, direct answer. Here is the absolute key. Don't just write about a topic you find interesting. Find a problem you can solve. As the slide shows, step 1 is to identify a user's pain point. What are people struggling with? Then, and only then, you use a free AI tool like ChatGPT or Gemini to brainstorm specific topics around that problem. This way, you're not just guessing, you're creating something you know people actually need. Now, a quick word on using AI. Think of it like this. AI is your assistant, your co-pilot. It's amazing for the heavy lifting, like creating outlines, coming up with ideas, and building a structure. But the real value, the main content, your unique voice, your personal stories, that has to come from you. That authenticity is what people are paying for. It's what makes your ebook special. So, the hard work of writing is done. Your content is ready. But how do you make it look professional without dropping a ton of cash on a designer? Well, that's exactly what Section 3 is all about, designing a beautiful, professional-looking ebook with, you guessed it, only free tools. Your design toolkit is going to be way simpler than you think. You really only need 3 things. First, Canva for the entire layout and design. Second, ChatGPT to help you brainstorm killer titles and chapter ideas. And third, a free AI image generator for a stunning cover that looks like it was professionally made. That is literally it. And the process itself is just a few simple steps. You hop into Canva, pick a template you like, build out your table of contents, and then just paste in your content. Add some icons and images to make it pop, generate an awesome cover, and finally, download the whole thing as a single PDF. And just like that, you have a product ready to sell. Okay, your ebook is written, designed, and it's looking fantastic. Now for the really exciting part. Section 4 is all about how to publish and actually start selling it, turning all that hard work into real income. So our source recommends 2 fantastic and completely free platforms. On the left, we have Super Profile, which is perfect for selling directly to your audience. On the right, you've got the giant, Amazon KDP, that's Kindle Direct Publishing, which gives you instant global reach. And a huge point for our viewers in India, as you can see right at the bottom, you don't need a GST registration for either of these to get started. So let's look at Super Profile for a second. It's incredibly straightforward. You create a simple one-page site with a payment link. You can share that link anywhere, on your Instagram, your Twitter, wherever. When someone buys it, they get the PDF delivered to them instantly. And a really cool feature our source highlights is that you can automatically invite your buyers to a private WhatsApp group, which is a great way to build a community. And then there's Amazon KDP. The advantage here is just massive scale. You upload your book one time, and it's not only available on every single Amazon marketplace around the globe, but it also gets pushed out to partner sites like Google Books. You get this incredible passive reach without any extra effort. Now, here's a quick pro tip on pricing that comes straight from the source. You want to be strategic. For a local market like India, a lower price point, say 99 rupees, works really well. But for international markets, you can and should price it higher, somewhere in that sweet spot of maybe $5 to $10. All right, so your ebook is published, it's priced, it's out in the world, you are officially on the path to passive income. But what does that journey really look like? Our final section here is all about playing the long game. Our source lays out two main paths to getting sales, and this visualizes it perfectly. On the left, you've got the rocket ship. That's paid ads. It's fast, but it requires a budget. On the right, you've got the gardener's path, creating organic content like reels and videos. It's slower for sure, but it's free and it builds a sustainable, long-term asset. And this timeline really helps set realistic expectations. That first month is all about creating and publishing. The next several months are for that consistent organic promotion. It's really in the long run, as you head into year one and beyond, that you start to see the true potential for ongoing passive sales as your content and your book get discovered over time. And this quote from the source material really just sums up the whole mindset perfectly. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not a lottery ticket. You are creating an asset that might sell one copy today, another one next week, and maybe 10 copies 6 months from now. That is the true nature of passive income. So there you have it. We've walked through the entire journey, from a simple idea all the way to a finished product that can earn you passive income for years to come, all with zero initial investment. The only thing left to do is to answer the question right here on the screen. What problem could your first ebook solve?